To fix your AOC monitor black screen issue, start by checking the power cord and ensuring it is securely connected to both the monitor and the power outlet. Next, verify that the monitor is turned on and the brightness and contrast settings are not set too low. If the issue persists, try adjusting the input source by pressing the input button on the monitor and selecting the correct input. If you are using a desktop computer, ensure that the graphics card is properly seated and that the connection to the monitor is secure. For laptop users, try restarting the laptop and pressing the Windows key plus P to toggle through the display options. If you are using a separate graphics card, try removing it and using the integrated graphics to see if the issue persists. Additionally, check for loose connections and try swapping the video cable with a different one to rule out any issues with the cable. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be a hardware problem and it is recommended to contact AOC support for further assistance. It is also important to check for any software updates for your graphics card and monitor, as outdated drivers can sometimes cause compatibility issues. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix your AOC monitor black screen issue. Remember to always handle your monitor with care and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or physical stress, as this can cause damage to the internal components. Regularly cleaning the monitor and checking for dust buildup can also help prevent issues with the display. If you are still experiencing problems after trying these steps, it may be worth considering contacting a professional for further diagnosis and repair. Overall, by being proactive and taking the time to troubleshoot the issue, you can often resolve the problem and get your AOC monitor up and running again.